At half of the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I'm back again with another video. So, another one here, I want to take in this.
What is the difference between the ordinary thief and a political thief? Number one, the ordinary thief steals your money, your bag, your watch, and your jewelry, isn't it? But the political thief steals your future, your career, your education, your health, and your business. Number two, the hilarious part is that the ordinary thief will choose whom to rob. But you are the one who choose the political thief to rob you. Because we choose them. We vote them. We blindly say we are not blind. Who is deceiving who? The ridiculous part of the whole issue is that we will fight to defend and protect our belongings from the ordinary thief. Is it not? But we fight each other to defend and protect the political thief. Is that not what we do? Thugs will be fighting themselves to protect those that are stealing our career, stealing our job, stealing our health, stealing our success. What a shame. What a travesty. Calls for us to think and think deep.
My wisdom warriors, this is exactly what Andrew Holness is doing in front of our very eyes. This is what Andrew Holness is doing, and some people feel fishy. Some people just cannot see me and know what's wrong with them. Seriously. No found a better go pray to God and ask God for some wisdom, because I know everybody born with wisdom. Understand? Because me don't know what do no people. Me don't know what do someone. Look how much things Andrew Holness, look how much scandal come out about the Jamaica Labour Party. Look how much scandals and everything when to talk about Finsack. Look how many scandals come out underneath the Jamaica Labour Party. I want to feel fishy. Jaja, only God alone can intervene and turn things around. Seriously. Anyway, another one here. Labour Minister Pearnel Charles Jr. says the Labour Advisory Council will discuss the proposal of a joint industrial council for the tourism industry at an upcoming meeting. The proposal was made by the Jamaica Confederation of Trade Unions. Minister Charles Jr. says following industrial action in the sector in October, the ministry undertook an industry assessment. Listen, you see everything we are going in at the hotel, the government knew about it. The government knew about it, my wisdom warriors. But the thing is, they don't care about the people. Look how every day Edmund Bartley come out and a skin off in 33. Look how much time Edmund Bartley come out and a boast over the tourism, how tourism is booming. And they no go check, you know. They no go check. You know what? You see the government? They should have people like an inspector going at the place them overall. You understand? Like they should have like an oversight committee and going at the hotel work, in the hotel them go check and see what is going on. But guess what now? Them know what go on. And just because the people them fed up and them tired. And you have Andrew Holness now is saying a PNP plan it. How PNP for plan protest? The hotel worker them a feel it and Andrew Holness a blame PNP. When you see Jamaica, you have to open up on the eye, you know. You have to open up on the eye and see what kind of government we are deal with. Because the people them tired. Them tired of being a slaves. The people them tired of being a slaves and then come out and talk about it. And Andrew Holness have the audacity. Andrew Holness administration have the audacity if you talk about a PNP start all this thing. It is bad. This government is blaming PNP for their failure. You can imagine that? Andrew Holness need to go one side now. He need to go one side. He need to go one side. They see if we the people did come out every day and a protest, Andrew Holness on the reach right us right now, you know. Andrew Holness should even come out and a chat off him out. Andrew Holness should have prosecuted long time. We should have out the time when we out to talk about fix up road. We should have out to ask him to resign. Seriously, it is a joke, my wisdom warriors. It is a big joke, seriously. Prime Minister Andrew Holness says the administration is keen to record more successful prosecutions of criminal gangs. Speaking during a national broadcast on Tuesday, Holness says this will be an aspect of the government inclusive growth thrust dubbed Aspire Jamaica. The Prime Minister says significant progress and investment have been made in terms of safety and security. Me have to really laugh, seriously. With murders and crime both trending down. Me rated, Andrew Holness said, Lord Jesus, Andrew Holness said, with the murders and crime both trending down for the second successive year. Jamaica, wanna hear what the Prime Minister tell you, say? Huh? Andrew Holness said them successful in bringing down crime and murders. And that Andrew Holness say, who believe us on labor right? Talk truth. As bad as things may be, talk truth. Crime really going down? Come and know someone together over here every single day. Crime is going down? Mighty God, what a man, wicked man. The man say crime a go down for the second time. So he must say crime gone down last year and crime a go down this year. Andrew, oh, you're so wicked. Oh, you're so wicked. Stop tell lie, man. Which part? Where crime a go down? Huh? Hello? Jesus, what a man lie, man. Me tell you, say Andrew Holness come on public platform because he's catching the eyes of other countries. And that, you know, mighty God of Daniel, amount of crime that is happening in the country, and Andrew Holness say crime is trending down. What you really want? Are this a man who don't want to be the president? No, sir, Andrew Holness. You're wicked. You're a liar, ratted hole. You're a liar man. You have to go to the pit of hell. You're too wicked, man. No, man, a lying lip is an abomination unto the Lord. No, sir. Brother, where you come from? And you talk about gangs. Everybody knows that the police, them are do the killing. Everybody, me not talk with water in my mouth. That's my wisdom warriors. See, you have Indicom coming out, and Indicom is so worried about Jamaican people future and with safety. So me can say that. Listen, Indicom come out and said the security forces is KILLING of the people them in Jamaica. And they are really concerned. This is what the Indicom say. So if you have Indicom, we investigate the security forces, them come out and I say that. Jamaica, you have to be wise, but you know wise up. I don't know what go on. You still asleep. Somehow you still asleep. Somehow you still asleep. Security forces do the most killing in Jamaica. Indicom statistics show it. That's why Indicom said they're worried about the future and the safety of Jamaicans. Them say, me read it over here 2 weeks ago. Come on. No, sir. Andrew. You can't get another term. You cannot get another term. You got to go. You got to go. Rank and file members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force are reportedly restive over the length of time it is taking to implement outstanding items under the current compensation package, a one-off payment to rank and file officers, which was proposed by the Ministry of Finance, was agreed to by an overwhelming number of delegates. However, no date has been given for the payments to be made. No wonder why you see the police, them always a KILL for people them and talk about a shootout. No wonder, because the people them restive, the people them stress out, the people them, it's too much. You understand? It's too much. Come on. Outstanding payment, all them something there. You not pay the police officers them good. That's a number one. Number two, them stress. So they just take out them problem pan citizens. And that them do. Because them stress. You understand? Who's supposed to be blamed for all of these things? It has to be the government. It has to be the government. My wisdom warriors, Jano, I don't know what else to say. Seriously.
Because don't know this house.
All right, you do already, but he wrote back now. Spend some more. No, he do man, he do, but he wrote back. No, I do. Show him, let me show him. Let me show him. Let me show him. See him here. Aye. No, do. What do? We never vote him. We never vote so you can win.
My wisdom warriors, South Manchester people are run with the MP. I run with Robert Chin. Now do nothing for the community. Me not blame them. Run away in blouse and skirt. I don't blame them. We don't hear my wisdom warriors about how the man over there say nah do nothing. And the people them say no lie them I tell. I true them attack. Him not do nothing for the constituency. My think, remember say film name did call up in the passa, you know. I want to remember good in Jamaica. Remember, Sir Robert Chin was one of them when name call up in the bangarang, you know. Don't forget. My wisdom warriors, take a look at my screen. Andrew Holness said, without a vision, the people perish. Listen, Jamaican people, with Andrew Holness' vision, at that time, we not go perish. The vision what Andrew Holness have for the Jamaican people, remember him said there's dark days ahead, you know. Remember say Andrew Holness start that, you know, my wisdom warriors. Remember say a film statement that, you know. So when you hear him come out and talk about without a vision, the people perish. With him vision, at that time the Jamaican people, them are going to perish. After 2 terms at the hem and on the eve of a potential 3rd term, Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness has appropriately outlined the elements of a vision for a renewed thrust at achieving the much sought after social and economic growth. Which growth? The only thing grow was your bank account. The only thing grow was your bank account. So which growth you talking about? Chano, my wisdom warriors, I want to storm up the comment section. Tell me what you think about this. Tell me how you feel about it. And put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. My people, I want to remember tomorrow is by-election. Tomorrow, there's a by-election, the 22nd of November in Ianantown and Morant Bay. PNP massive. My well-thinking Jamaicans, my undecided voters, I want to run out and go put the X beside the head. Alright? Blessings upon blessings. One love.